sundown and we're back, but we're still soaking it all in. We couldn't have asked for a better day or a better boat. It never disappoints. Once you get a taste of Princecraft, there's no going back. That confidence, it's real, because this boat can handle anything. Everything is always right where you need it. Out here, we can push limits and leave it all behind. Once you know that kind of freedom, there's no going back. The sun, the water, the people you love. You kind of wish time would rewind. Truth is, if you follow your instincts, you'll find some amazing moments. When the spirit of boating runs through your veins, there's no going back. You just start every day right where you belong, ready to do it all over again. Princecraft, the spirit of boating.